zip line is very, very cool. If you've never done it before, you're going to get to enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. Anybody can do it, from very young to 65, 70 have done it. The comment we hear most is, it's awesome, it's great. In addition to the zip lining, do the cave tubing as well.
Cave tubing means both a river tubing and a cave exploration at the very same time. Getting to the cave is one of the fun parts as well. We have wonderful things in this small little country, and that is what I love to boast about. People come here, they experience the cave system, the water, and I just want them to remember that Belize, they would never forget.